It is okay to drink when you're 18 years old because everyone does it. Given this statement, we're going to go ahead and answer what is premise, what is the conclusion, and explain how appeal to popularity occurs in this statement. And when you look at this statement, we can knock out A and B at the same time. Once we find the premise, we know the other part will be the conclusion. The premise for any appeal to popularity is that many people believe it's true, or many people do it. The part of this statement that corresponds to that is because everyone does it. Now we need to be a little more articulate than that, so I'm going to write out, everyone drinks when they're 18 years old. All right, so that's part A, what is the premise, but part B, very quickly behind that, is the conclusion here, that it's okay for you to do it. There it is. Part C is explain how appeal to popularity occurs, and I really just want to say it's pretty self-explanatory. You argue that your conclusion is true because many people accept this idea as being true or right. One presidential candidate favors eliminating affirmative action programs. The other candidate states, my opponent doesn't think there's anything wrong with discrimination. Describe how straw man occurs in this argument. Since the straw man fallacy is an argument based on a distortion of someone's words or beliefs, that's exactly what happened here. This is how straw man occurs. The candidate favors eliminating affirmative action programs. The other candidate twists those words and says, that person thinks there's nothing wrong with discrimination. That's not what the original candidate said, but the words were twisted.